Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of July 10th, today's news highlights significant developments in energy markets and ongoing geopolitical tensions affecting global supply chains. Southern Italy is emerging as a global hub for energy cable systems, with Prysmian's facilities in Naples and Palermo supporting major international interconnection projects, Repubblica reported today. Prysmian produces advanced HVAC and HVDC cables, manages installation through its specialized fleet, and uses fibre-optic technologies to monitor infrastructure in real time. These systems are essential to integrating renewable energy, strengthening grid resilience, and meeting the growing power needs of data centers and artificial intelligence. Prysmian and the University of Palermo have also launched a specialized master's program to train the engineers required for the energy transition. Meanwhile, UBS has reiterated its buy rating on Prysmian, with a target price of €175. In broader market news, significant price spikes were observed on the PJM grid in the United States, where balancing electricity costs soared during the recent heat wave. The largest U.S. grid operator paid up to $28,000 per megawatt to manage surging electricity demand amidst extreme temperatures, exposing vulnerabilities in electricity supply management. Reserve deficits and congestion notably impacted balancing costs, which could eventually reflect on consumers' electricity bills. Turning to international markets, the ongoing tensions in the Strait of Hormuz have led to declines in wholesale gas prices as more liquefied natural gas tankers resume passage despite escalated conflicts. Following an uptick in military actions from Iran towards U.S. interests, tanker traffic has slowed, signaling potential disruptions in global oil and LNG supplies, particularly as the International Energy Agency warns that an escalation could threaten anticipated oil surpluses in 2027. On the regulatory front, Germany's parliament has passed a heating law that modifies renewable energy requirements for new heating systems, allowing for a gradual phase-in of climate-neutral fuels. This legislative change is aimed at providing greater flexibility for homeowners, but has attracted criticism from environmental groups concerned about its impact on fossil fuel dependency. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.